Hi everyone, today we are making hotteok, one of Korea's most popular street snacks, especially popular in winter. If you never heard of it before, hotteok is a sweet pancake filled with brown sugar, cinnamon, and nuts. When you cook it, the sugar melts inside and turns into a warm, sweet syrup. It's crispy on the outside, softy on the inside, and honestly very dangerous when it's hot, because you will want to eat it right away. I looked it up on Google, and it turns out hotteok mix is sold in many countries now. So if you ever want to try making it, it might be easier than you think. Just search for hotteok mix online. As I mentioned earlier, this is a snack that's especially popular in winter. Does your country have a food that everyone craves in a certain season? If you do, let me know in the comments. I'm really curious. If you follow the instructions, it's really not difficult at all. But there is one small detail that's easy to miss, so let me show you. Place the sealed side down on the pan first so the dough seals properly and the filling doesn't leak out. After a little while, press it gently to flatten it and let it cook until both sides are golden brown. These days in Korea, street food stalls are getting harder to find, not just hotteok, but many kinds. So whenever I see one, I get strangely excited, like I just found a treasure. It reminds me of when I was a kid, and that brings a weird feeling. Not really sad, not really happy, just oh, I guess I'm getting older now. Today we're eating this at home, so we'll try it in a way that international viewers might enjoy too. We're going to top it with roasted soybean powder and some ice cream. There is something really nice about combining hot and cold foods. The temperatures balance each other, and the flavor feels richer that way. Of course, desserts aren't exactly known for being healthy, but personally I think if you don't eat too much, they are actually good for the heart. Not physically, maybe, but mentally. They give you a different kind of happiness than a regular meal. Not something you need every day, but once in a while, it just makes the day feel a little better. Today we made hotteok, one of Korea's favorite winter snacks. We used the hotteok mix this time. Sadly, this isn't a sponsored video. I just wanted to show it to you because it's fun and easy to make. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.